fire station door. It looks like glass, but it's going just folding in and folding in each time.
Yeah.
That's backing in, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes. I can't believe they don't have remotely operable doors.
I know. And for one to go in, it looked like they had to open both doors.
Maybe there was nobody in to reach the controls and they can only open that one first.